With an innovative design, the Tomahawk Power Backpack Sprayer is an efficient and economic tool for pest control. With 2 spraying wands, it has the reach to finish jobs twice as fast, leaving manual sprayers in the dust. Upon unboxing the backpack sprayer, look for a Ziploc bag containing tools and attachments. You will first want to attach the dual connection piece. Once the washer is in place, fasten the dual connection piece to the pump. This will ensure a secure fit, as well as diminish any leakage. Next, fasten the hoses to the pump. Make sure the seal is tight to ensure that there will not be any leakage. Once completed, you will want to attach the spraying wands to the hoses. Make sure the valve handles are perpendicular to each spraying wand. This will ensure that they are closed before starting the engine. Once attached, your Tomahawk Backpack Sprayer will be fully assembled. This Tomahawk 2-stroke engine requires a mixture of 30 parts gasoline to 1 part oil. If this is your first time putting fuel in the engine, fill the mixture bottle until it reaches 600 milliliters. Next, add oil until the fuel reaches the next notch. This will ensure a 30-to-1 mixture. Once mixed, remove the fuel cap on the engine and pour in the mixture until the tank is full. When the fuel cap has been securely fastened, you may now fill your chemical tank with solution. Remember, wear proper protective gear to prevent harmful contact. Once the tank lid is secured, you may begin priming the engine. Just above the fuel cap, press the fuel injection pump 3 to 5 times. This should be an adequate amount of fuel to start the engine. Next, adjust the choke to the closed position by pulling it up. This is located above the fuel cap. To start the engine, pull the recoil starter cord to the left of the fuel cap. Once started, adjust the choke back to the open position. Your backpack sprayer is now ready for work. Make sure to avoid spraying chemicals in the direction of your peers. To increase or decrease pressure at which the fluid is sprayed, adjust the lever to your left. When you want to stop the engine, press the red stop button directly above the throttle lever. For any questions, call 866-577-4476. The Tomahawk Backpack Sprayer. Try it today and power your world.